We're on day 4 of the Savannah trip. We are going to go to Tybee Island. At first we were going to go to this place called Fun Zone. Fun Zone's kind of like, they have like mini golf, they have go-karts and stuff like that, but they don't open till 3. So we decided we'll just go ahead and go to Tybee Island. So it is another beach day essentially. I am a little over, I guess, makeup for the beach, if that makes any sense, because I was getting ready for Fun Zone. So yeah, you guys, so we are just gonna go to Tybee Island, which is about maybe a 25-minute drive from the hotel, and we'll see you guys there.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my heart uninvited. When you see me on the edge, and all. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want me to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I won't wait for you, I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait. Yeah, babe, can you put your time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me when you call me, I come. Then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. You guys.
Girl, let's slow down. And he still catch you.
I'll teach you 2 times. Yeah, it's silence. Running back from all the pain.
You guys, I beat him 3 times.
3 times. I let her win.
No, he did not.
I let her win on the road course. I slowed down and kept trying to catch up to her and pass her because she don't know how to drive.
I know how to drive. I was getting it,
Nope. Nopey, nopey.
I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you.
Alright, you guys, we're about to play some mini golf. It says course 1, course 2 over there.
It's kind of flooded.
Yeah, it's been raining, as you guys may have seen, and we're pretty much the only ones here. We are the only ones being big kids here. We just got done riding go-karts. There's 2 different tracks. I beat Zach on the first track, and he beat me on the second track. And then we decided just to play a little putt-putt while the weather permitted. And we'll probably ride some more go-karts. Don't really know how well I'll be able to capture that footage. In the water. In the puddle. Yeah. It's not a good day for sure to putt-putt. What's that like? That's 4. Her first shot and follows the instructions above the arrow. Blind putt. Attempt your first shot with your eyes closed.
All right, let's see you do it.
Well, I think it's supposed to be either one of you with your eyes shut. All right, my eyes
I lost it when you hit it so hard. I thought, oh shoot. Four, you're floating too.
Oof. All that water.
That's one. Focus. And floater. Why do you keep prying it out like that?
Alright, go ahead.
One hand putt. Attempt your first shot holding the putter with only one hand. Move this pink ball out of my way.
Not too shabby. Oh, you out of the course, sir. Alright, I'm gonna spin the little fun zone spinner while he attempts to get the ball in the hole. Attempt your first shot holding the putter behind your back.
Like this? Like this?
No, it should be like this. Record me.
How do you do behind your back?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, you're hitting it the wrong way. Oh wait, I was recording the ground. Sorry. You could just do it however you feel. That's not behind your back.
This is a group shit. I was like, yeah. It's behind my back.
Okay. Don't fall over.
Go-karts and putt-putt was a success, you guys. I have so much dirt that splattered on my face. My face is so dirty, y'all. But we had a great time. We are just huge big kids, as you may see.